guys, it's Arra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I am back again. Ang bilis, diba? So recently, I've uploaded a video, parang last week lang, and I'm here again to share some very good announcement to you guys and also invite you kasi meron kaming mga exclusive events na online that is happening for the month of November. And syempre, since kayo yung mga laging nanonood sa akin, very loyal kayo, I wanted to personally invite you, no? But before anything else, I am very, very grateful po. Thank you sa mga lahat ng bumati sa akin dyan, guys. Yes, today is my birthday. I just turned 31 years old. Huling taon ko na po sa kalendaryo. Yes, I turned 31 years old. Thank you sa lahat nag-send ng mga birthday greetings nyo, birthday wishes, guys. Natanggap ko siya. Thank you sa lahat ng always nagsusupport sa YouTube channel natin and sa akin. At saka, salamat din sa lahat ng mga nagme-message sa akin every time na nagtatry kayo mag-apply sa Cyberbacker, nusunod yung mga tips ko, ganyan. Thank you. Alright, ayun. So, again, bago ko sabihin sa inyo, ano nga ba yung purpose ng video na to, no? I would like to invite everyone to join our Cyberbacker Career Night. What is Cyberbacker Career Night? Cyberbacker Career Night is a free online Zoom event made especially for those people who wants to work from home. So if you are someone who is interested to work from home or exploring ka, you don't really know what to do and you're curious about Cyberbacker, our company, all you have to do po is to register on the link provided doon po sa ating description box sa baba. Mag-register lang po kayo doon and you will receive an invitation a few hours before Career Night. So Career Night happens weekly, Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 PM to 10 PM Manila time. Ayan guys, attend kayo niya na I really strongly advise you guys to attend and encourage you to attend kasi marami po kayo matututunan dyan. Okay? Ayan, so ano na nga ba ang aking announcement? So, for the month of November po, our very own CEO, Craig Goodliffe, lalagay ko ating poster here, charan! Ayan. So, our personal CEO po, no, si Craig Goodliffe, will be conducting a free online Zoom event. It's going to be a free personal development training on November 18, 12 AM to 1 AM Manila time. Ayan, guys. Sobrang exciting yan. You will receive a free coaching sa aming CEO. So, if you're not familiar or matagal niya nang fina-follow si Craig, you know that he is really good at coaching and marami kayong matututunan sa kanya and you will be inspired. So, alam ko, yung mga nakapanood sa inyo ng interview ko with Greg was really amazed with the kind of relationship that we have with our CEO. And I want you guys to experience the same thing. And I want you guys na marinig nyo sa kanya on his own words the things that I personally hear, no, yung mga how he coach us, how he how he gives us lessons, how he teaches us Cyberbackers. Gusto ko ma-experience nyo. So guys, this is free. This is now your chance to participate, no? All you have to do, again, I will put po the registration link nitong free event natin sa baba. So, register lang po kayo doon. And please always check your email because we will be sending you the Zoom link, yung kung saan po kayo papasok para makapag-participate kayo dito sa event natin a few days before the final event. Okay, so medyo magpuyat lang po tayo ng konti kasi remember guys, graveyard kami dito sa Cyberbacker. And training na rin po sa inyo to. Really, inviting everyone, my viewers especially, no, kung curious talaga kayo about Cyberbacker, now's your chance to get to know our CEO. Alright, ayan, so ano pa nga ba yung aking announcement, no? Well, it's my birth month, it's my birthday exactly today, and I received a really amazing birthday gift, no? I can't say it, I can't disclose it yet, but please guys, just wait kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng i-disclose. Wait a few more weeks before I can finally announce it. I'm very excited to share this journey that I'll be going through for the next couple of weeks, and you guys are one of the reasons why I got there. So it's going to be very exciting. But syempre, gusto ko din i-share sa inyo, like, ano ba yung ginawa ko today? Kasi birthday ko. Well, lumamon ako ng madami. Kasi lumamon ako ng sobrang dami. Order ako kispepata, kumain akong kontis, cake, pizza, dami. Ayun. And then, ano ba yung birthday gift ko sa sarili ko? So, yung mga followers ko, alam nyo na sobrang kuripot ko. 'Di ba? Like, yung mga ginagamit ko, hindi naman siya sobrang high-tech. Like, even my camera, it's a beginner camera that I use. And, hindi ako techy masyado. So, this year, sabi ko sa sarili ko, on my birthday, I want to really get something na gustong-gusto ko talaga, no? Ako kasi very practical ako yung tipong, kahit meron akong gustong bilhin, hindi ko naman siya bibilhin kasi alam ko hindi man yung practical, ganyan. Pero, from January until this month, nagset ako ng savings goal for myself, no? Sabi ko, kailangan makasave ako ng this much amount in dollars kasi yun yung parang emergency savings namin as a family. Ganyan. And then, after that, kapag na-hit ko yung goal ko, that's the only time that I will get something for myself. And I was able to do that. So, now, I got myself my birthday gift for this year. I got myself the new iPad mini in purple. Ayan, so nakapack pa siya, no? Ayan, so sa lahat, again, ng followers ko, alam nyo na favorite ko ang color purple. Ayan, lahat, if pwede lang lahat ng gamit ko purple, I would do it, you know. My chair is purple, my phone is purple, my Mac is purple, my mouse, everything is purple, you know. Kung pwede lang. Ayan, so this is my birthday gift to myself, and also I got the pen, the second generation pen, and you notice na nakapack pa siya. Actually, guys, 1 week na tong nasa akin. Hindi ko lang siya mabuksan kasi yung anak ko, gagamitin niya agad. Tapos natatakot akong baka magasgas, ganyan. Tapos yung mga in-order ko sa Shopee, hindi pa dumadating. Hindi pa dumadating yung tempered glass, hindi pa dumadating yung case, ganyan. So sabi ko, nitiis ko talaga siya, hindi ko talaga siya pinubuksan. Pero, if I have the time to do a vlog of unboxing this, I would. Ayan. So, ayan. So, guys, nga pala ha, saan ko ba kinuha yung pinambili ko nito? Syempre, dahil po sa mga tulong nyo na aking mga subscribers sa YouTube, sweldo ko po sa YouTube yung pinambili ko dito. Ayan. So, thank you guys for always watching my video, for always commenting, for always liking my videos. Thank you so much kasi ngayon lang ako nakabili ng ganyan, naluho. Naluho ko, no? It's a want. It's not a need for me. So, thank you guys so much. Ayan. So, marami rin sa inyong nagtatanong like, ano ba yung opportunities on YouTube? Like, paano kumita sa YouTube? Paano mag-start ng channel? How do you guys earn on YouTube? That's something that I also wanted to share with you guys. Kasi ako talaga nag-start ako from scratch, ganyan. Tapos, I, just work my way around until nito na tayo ngayon. Meron na akong mga subscribers, meron na akong mga loyal viewers, and most of all, what's really important for me is I am able to provide jobs to Filipino people. Me, no? Ayan, so, ayan lang guys. Again, I promised you guestings on my channel for this month. The videos are being recorded already, so please stay tuned. I will be having 3 guests, very important guests on my YouTube channel for the month of November soon. So please stay tuned. And again guys, I encourage you to attend Craig's personal development training on November 18, 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. Manila time. And also, please register to our career night. And please, guys, always, kapag nag-apply po kayo sa Cyberbacker, tinanong kayo, saan nyo nalaman yung Cyberbacker? Kay Rookie Mommy PH. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye!